Welcome back to Spice It Up with Michelle Park, sponsored by FinaMill. Today we are going to be making a couple gorgeous ribeyes, but I am going to rub them down with my favorite spice rub. It used to take me so long to grind whole spices, but my life has been changed. Do you see these pods? These pods go into the world's first spice grinder with interchangeable pods, the FinaMill. But now it's so easy. The FinaMill grinds spices perfectly. All you're gonna do is take your FinaMill, press it down on one of the interchangeable pods, and then you just push it down again to release it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just get the spice rub ready. So let's get all of our spices in the bowl. Salt. Pepper. Onion. Garlic. Basil. All right. Now this is cumin seed. You want to go light on the cumin seed because it's a very strong flavor. Fennel seed. And finally, coriander seed, which I love. When you grind coriander seed fresh, it just has such a different flavor, I have to tell you. I'm just gonna top it off with a little more salt. So now I've got my spice rub. I am just going to go ahead and put a dusting on the top. I like to actually rub it in. Like, oh my goodness, look at how beautiful that is. So you could go ahead and take this out back to the grill, but what I'm going to do is I actually have a stovetop grill right there. It's getting warmed up. I'm gonna sear it on both sides for 5 minutes and finish it in the oven, and it's going to be perfectly cooked and so delicious. The butter all over, butter, butter, butter. Ooh, look at that. Now we're gonna add the steaks. I mean, take a look at these. These are stunning. All right, so let's plate this baby. I'm gonna put this, oh my goodness, the juices. So we're gonna put this right here. And I'm going to serve this. A little bit of kale salad on the side. I'm gonna top it with a little lemon zest. And I'm gonna finish it with a tiny bit more pepper. Oh, and it smells so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Alrighty, here we go. That is so delicious. And I have to tell you, I love that you can adjust the level of flavor by adjusting how finely or coarsely you grind your spices. Thank you so much for watching Spice It Up with Michelle Park. I'll see you guys next time.